the industry chases electric power and four-stroke dominance, Yamaha continues perfecting what they do best. The 2027 YZ250 is here, and this legendary two-stroke is sharper than ever. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're breaking down why this bike remains the benchmark in its class. If you thought two-strokes were outdated, think again. Design. The 2027 YZ250 embraces Yamaha's racing heritage with refined modern styling. The bodywork maintains that unmistakable YZ silhouette, but features updated graphics and a redesigned seat tank junction for improved rider movement. Team Yamaha Blue looks absolutely stunning with fresh white and black graphics. The chassis has been tweaked for better balance, and the overall package sits lower, giving riders more confidence in corners. Build quality remains exceptional, with attention to detail that serious racers demand. Performance. The 250cc two-stroke engine continues to be the heart of this machine, and Yamaha has fine-tuned it to perfection. Power delivery is smooth yet aggressive, with a broad power band that works for everyone from intermediates to seasoned pros. The mid-range punch is intoxicating, pulling hard out of corners and responding instantly to throttle inputs. Updated suspension components offer plush small bump compliance while remaining stable during aggressive riding. The handling is precise and predictable, inspiring confidence on everything from tight trails to wide-open tracks. Features and technology. For the 2027 YZ250, Yamaha has integrated smart updates without overcomplicating things. The new LCD instrument cluster provides RPM, hour meter, and maintenance reminders. The revised exhaust system meets current emission standards while actually improving performance. Engine mapping options allow riders to choose between standard and aggressive settings, adapting to different track conditions. Conclusion. The 2027 YZ250 proves that simplicity and performance never go out of style. Is this the two-stroke you'd choose? Let us know in the comments. If this review helped you out, hit that like button and share it with your riding buddies. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for honest, in-depth motorcycle reviews, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the track.